Hi everyone, it's Anja from Cooking with Plants and welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe, I'm very excited to share this with you. It's so delicious. It's for a creamy potato sauce, or you could use this as a dressing on your salads or anywhere where you like a delicious sauce. This will be amazing. It's quick and easy to make, so let's get into the recipe. So I'm actually using a blender for this, and to start with, I'm using some potatoes. So I like to keep boiled potatoes in the fridge for all sorts of different recipes, and then they're just good to go, ready to go. So I've got about 4 small boiled potatoes, and they still have their skin on them. I haven't bothered taking the skin off. These are organic potatoes, so there's lots of nutrients in the skin, and I'm going to include them. But if you prefer your potatoes without skin, then by all means peel them. So these are going into the blender. Next up, I have a cup of soy milk going in, but you could use any plant-based milk that you like the taste of. I prefer non-sweetened for this because it just makes it taste really delicious and savory, which is what I prefer. But if you like a little bit of sweetness, then by all means use a sweetened plant-based milk. So soy milk, almond milk would work perfectly, some oat milk, even some coconut milk, whichever you like the taste of. Have an experiment with this and try some different flavors. Absolutely quick and easy and delicious. Next up, I'm adding a tablespoon of lemon juice. Then I'm just adding in a tablespoon of miso paste, a garlic clove, and about half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. I'm also adding in a tablespoon of tahini. And finally, I'm adding about 1/8 of a teaspoon of some white pepper. I love the taste of white pepper in this. And I'm also adding in about 1/4 of a teaspoon of kala namak, which it looks like a pink salt. It looks almost like Himalayan salt, but it's totally different. And it's sometimes called black salt as well. It's very sulfuric. It smells sulfuric and it tastes a little bit eggy. So it really adds a delicious flavor to this sauce. If you don't have it, just leave it out. Or if you want a little bit more of a salty flavor, then maybe add a little touch of Celtic sea salt to this, and even some cracked black pepper, some chili flakes, whatever seasonings you like, just add those in instead. And then we're just going to give this a blend up. And that's all there is to it. This is done. It's ready to go. It's ready to eat. And it smells delicious. It's just so thick and creamy and gooey, and I have to give it a taste test. You won't be disappointed with this. It's absolutely really thick and delicious, almost like a mayonnaise. And like I said, you can use this in all sorts of recipes. So come on over, join me in my Cooking with Plants Facebook group. I would love to see what you do with this recipe. It's even amazing in lasagna. So come on over, join me, share your photos, and let me know what you're making with this delicious sauce. I'm going to add it to my lunch right now, and I'll see you for the next recipe very soon. Bye for now. Oh, this is so good. Yum.